little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful school easily. Here I am drawing the school and follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I complete my drawing. Now let's start to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Here I am using sketch pen color. First one I am using red color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color. Now I am using orange color. Color, which color do you want? I want orange color. And this is yellow color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow color. Now I'm using light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. Here I'm using light blue color. Color, which color do you want? I want light blue color. And now I'm using deep pink color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep pink color. And this is purple color. Color, which color do you want? I want purple color. And here I'm using dark yellow color. Color, which color do you want? I want dark yellow color. Do you know what is the name of this color? Yes, this is called yellow-green color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow-green color. Here I'm using dark brown color. Color, which color do you want? I want dark brown color.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture.
Now I'm using light pink color. Color, which color do you want? I want light pink color. The final color I am using turquoise color. Color, which color do you want? I want turquoise color.
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Lost my partner.
Wow, the school is looking so beautiful. This is very easy to draw. Let's try it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little gems.